Imagine you're opening up a new coffee shop. You want your customers to have a pleasant experience when they walk in. So you think about how everything should be laid out. The entrance. You make sure the door is easy to open and there's a welcome sign so the people know they're in the right place. This is like the first screen a user sees when they open your app. The counter. You place the menu where it's easy to read and make sure the counter is at the right height so customers can easily order. This is like designing buttons and navigation that are easy to find and click. The seating area. You arrange tables and chairs so it's comfortable and there's space for people to move around. This is like organizing the layout of an app or website so people can use it without getting lost or frustrated. The process. You make sure the ordering and payment process is simple, no long wait times, and it's clear what steps the customers need to take to order. In UI design, this is like making sure the workflow and user journey is smooth. No bumps along the way, no confusing steps. Just as you design the coffee shop to make people feel welcome and comfortable, UI design is about making digital products easy and enjoyable to use. When done well, people don't even think about it. And that's the point. They just find what they need and enjoy the experience. UI design is the process of creating the look and layout of a digital product like an app or a website to make it easy and enjoyable for people to use. It involves designing things like buttons, menus, navigation, icons, screens, and everything else to make sure users interact with the product smoothly and efficiently.